Hey, this is the one and only storyteller coming back with you today. We took the Mustang block over to the machinist. They're going to bore it, flatten the deck, the heads, rework the heads, and said it'd take about 2 weeks. So while we're waiting on that, we went and started back on the old 79 Ford. As you can tell here, it's a 79 Ford, four-wheel drive. My dad bought it brand new in '79. Been working on it for quite a while. As you can tell from the inside's ready to go. All I have to do is scrub the inside down with a scratch pad, and it'll be ready to go. This is already finished out. I have to tomorrow do all the seam sealing. I'm gonna try and paint it Friday if it's not raining. Here's the engine. The engine will come out next. I rebuilt the engine about 15 years ago, but as soon as the one for the Mustang comes back, it'll be going back down to the engine rebuilder. I do rebuild all my engines myself. I've been doing body work, mechanic work since I was 14. Even though I am a LPC, therapist in grief and trauma, working with children, I still do my own work. I think it's a lot of pride in doing your own stuff. But if you have the money, it's a lot easier if you get someone else to do it, for sure. This Ford, as you can tell, the bed's kind of eat up, as most are in 1979 by now. The floor does have some rust in it. If I can get around here where you can see it. It does have some rust in it, but don't fret. I have the two outer panels, the two inner panels. I have the new bed. I do have the new behind the wheel skirts, the two front skirts. So all the pieces of the bed will be new, except for just the skeleton part. The doors are done. They're all ready to go. They are brand new. Got brand new fenders, brand new doors, brand new inner fenders, dash pad, visors, weather strippings, window strips, glass. Everything's brand new. Door panels. Like I said, my dad bought it in 1979. It was the last thing that he was working on before he passed away. So I've been at it for about 10 years. Eight of those 10 years, I was off on doing other adventures, I guess. So the top here, as you can tell, the top had 41 dents in it. Back the cab here had 18 dents, that in the corner. The fender came in from the factory right here with a big dent, so I had to repair it. As you well know, if you're in the body business or do body work, your panels are always going to come in beat all to pieces. It's just that, you know, always look at it. If it takes less than 8 hours, I keep it. If it takes more than 8 hours, I send it back. The hood here, it's under plastic. It's ready to go. It had 23 dents on this side, the passenger side. Had 31 dents in it on the driver's side. The reason why, you're probably going to ask out there in YouTube land, why did you even keep it? Well, a new one is $800. A used one is $400. But my dad gave me the truck many years ago, and his request was the hood was the only thing that was usable on the truck. So he said, you can replace anything else you want, do whatever you want, but you have to use the hood, because that was the only piece that was usable. The cab is off another vehicle. Of course, the hood. He was a farmer. He didn't back up. If he could run over it, he ran over it. So the truck was pretty much gone. So I purchased another body and put the body over on his frame. So, but he was here when we did that, so he agreed that was the best thing to do. So, but I just kind of touching base, like I said, waiting on the Mustang engine to come back. It is sitting right there. The bed will be the next thing. I will paint the cab on Friday, cut the fenders, the doors in, and then I can apply them back onto the body and start putting the insides back together. So stay tuned for the next update. Hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, leave a message. I'd rather it be positive, but hey, you can't please everybody, as I know as a therapist. So, you know, do what you got to do. Thanks for watching. Thanks for stopping by. See you.